In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a ground slab in ALTECAD CONCRETE. The ground slab command annotates ground slab areas automatically with their thickness and level. Here is how to use it. Draw or select the area where you want to create the ground slab. Enter the slab thickness and the level value. The annotation is placed automatically with the thickness and level displayed. We will need these values later to calculate the quantities. We will cover this in a future video. Don't worry, you can change the thickness and level at any time. And with just one click, you will get the quantities in a few seconds. All elements are fully editable after creation. With ALTECAD CONCRETE, designing foundations is fast, accurate, and fully automatic. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this tutorial with your colleagues.